Hi, my name is Cole, and my presentation is on the big five personality traits. You can remember these big five traits by using the OCEAN acronym, which is OCEAN, O for openness, C for conscientiousness, E for extraversion, A for agreeableness, and N for neuroticism. These traits are the most widely accepted by psychologists and are used in the hiring process at some organizations, but not all, which is currently up for debate among psychologists. The first trait is going to be openness. These people are curious, creative, original. They're very open to new ideas. Some careers for people with this type of personality trait would be a person who's a flight attendant or even a pilot. These people in these career fields are very adventurous, very flexible. They're open to new possibilities. I myself am a flight attendant, and I feel I fit into this type of personality trait the most. The opposite of this personality trait would be somebody who is conscientiousness or conscious. Something I found interesting was that people that are open, who develop this personality trait, vary by location. So people who live on the coasts of the US are more likely to express this trait than those who live in the middle of the US. And those people tend to be more conservative. Next, it's going to be conscientiousness. As I said, this is basically the opposite of openness. These people adhere to norms and rules. They do not stray from the status quo. These people do well in detail-oriented jobs. People such as nurses, surgeons, or pilots. These people are very punctual and reliable. Some career fields within this personality trait can be somebody in nursing, or maybe a surgeon or a pilot as well, which I think is interesting because all of these personality traits are a part of a spectrum. Next is going to be extraversion. I feel like Lady Gaga is a great example of this personality trait. She's very outgoing, sociable, talkative. She loves to be the center of attention. She enjoys social situations. These people can tend to be seen as fishing for your attention, but it's not really the case. They just really feed off of this type of attention given to them. Some great career fields for people like this would be somebody interested in teaching, sales, marketing, or politics even. Next is going to be agreeableness. These people are very kind and warm. They're very trusting. These people don't like to work alone, and they may have a hard time making difficult decisions in a work setting. These are not good careers. Well, the career fields that are not good for these people would be somebody working in medicine, or somebody wanting to go into the military, or somebody working in science. I feel they don't really exhibit this personality trait. A example, somebody with this trait would be Princess Diana. She's known as the people's princess, which I mean is pretty self-explanatory. She's for the people. She loves to be kind towards people and warm towards people who really need it. And she sees joy in bringing happiness to others. Last is going to be neuroticism. These people are very moody, very anxious, and very irritable. You never know what you're going to get with these people. People in management with this job tend to create a very unfair work environment for their employees. An example I have is Miranda Priestley from The Devil Wears Prada. She's a fictional character, but I feel like she is a great example of neuroticism because she's really only happy when the people around her are stressed or anxious or scared to even be around her. Let me see. These people are also more likely to cope with troubles in their life with alcohol, and they also have a hard time maintaining personal relationships. Last, personality testing. I feel personality testing when applying for a job is not accurate. I feel like it lacks honesty. I feel like there are ways to cheat. I know that there are definitely ways to look online and research how to pass specific personality tests. A psychologist I researched basically said personality assessments should only make up 30% of the actual hiring process, and technical skills and experience and knowledge should only equal about 50. There's a debate right now talking about how there might be some sort of a hybrid test people can take that measure their technical skills and experience as well as their personality. Personality testing can also be discriminatory, I feel, and it forces people into a box. And these are my works cited pages and some discussion questions for you guys. How do you feel about personality assessments? Do you adjust your answers for the job you're applying to? Or who do you look up to and admire? What is their personality type? Do you feel you have the same personality type? Thanks for listening.